Imagine building more muscle without lifting a single barbell. No heavy plates crushing your spine. No machines locking your joints into unnatural positions. And yet, your body becomes stronger, more athletic, and more powerful than most people in the gym. Sounds wrong, doesn't it? But history and modern science tell a very different story. Because some of the strongest, most capable warriors who ever lived never touched weights. And what they understood about muscle growth, most people today completely miss. Today, we're going to break down 6 exercises that build more real muscle than traditional weightlifting. Not because they're easier, but because they create more tension, better movement, and far less joint damage. And here's the key idea you need to understand before we begin. Muscle growth is not about how heavy something is. It's about how much tension your muscles experience, especially in the stretched position. Once you understand this, everything about training changes. Think about a heavy squat. Hundreds of pounds pressing down on your spine. Rep after rep. Year after year. Or the bench press. Shoulders pinned. Joints compressed. Movement restricted. It feels productive. But hard does not always mean effective. Because, over time, this kind of training doesn't just build muscle. It also quietly builds joint wear, imbalance, and injury risk. And that's where these 6 exercises are different. They build muscle, without grinding your body down in the process. Exercise 1. Pull-ups. Most people think pull-ups are just a back exercise. They're not. They are a full-body coordination test. Your lats, arms, shoulders, grip, and core all fire together to move your entire body through space. This creates something machines can't replicate. Total muscle recruitment. And that's why people who master pull-ups almost always have stronger, more muscular upper bodies. Key technique. Full stretch at the bottom. Pull chest to bar, not chin. Slow 5. Second descent. No momentum. If you can't do one yet, start with negatives. If you can do 10, add weight. That's where serious growth begins. Exercise 2. Inverted rows. Here's what most training programs get wrong. They push, constantly, but they barely pull. And over time, your shoulders drift forward, posture collapses, and pain begins. Inverted rows fix this. They train your mid-back, traps, and rear delts through a full controlled range of motion with 0 spinal stress. Why it's superior to barbell rows? No. Lower back strain. Full scapular movement. Better posture correction. Better posture correction. Execution. Body. Straight like a plank. Pull chest to bar here. Squeeze shoulder blades. Hard. Control every rep. This is what builds that thick, stable back most people never achieve. Exercise 3. Dips. Now here's something most people don't expect. Dips can build more triceps than the close grip bench press, but only if done correctly. The mistake? Letting the shoulders shrug upward. That's where damage happens. The fix? Keep shoulder blades pulled down and back. Lean slightly forward. Lower under control. Pause at the bottom. Dips train your chest, shoulders, and triceps by making you move your entire body weight through space. And that creates something machines never can. Real, transferable strength. Exercise 4. Feet elevated push-ups. Regular push-ups stop working once you get good at them. Not because push-ups are bad, but because the stimulus becomes too small. Now here's where things change. Elevate your feet. Suddenly, more load shifts to your upper chest. More body weight is involved. And most importantly, your chest experiences a deeper stretch under tension. And this is critical, because research consistently shows muscles grow more when trained in the lengthened position, sometimes up to 2x more growth. Execution. Feet elevated 18-24 inches. Slow descent, 3-4 seconds. Full stretch at bottom. Controlled push back up. This is no longer a basic exercise. This becomes a serious muscle builder. Exercise 5 Bulgarian split squats. If you believe squats are the king of leg exercises, this might surprise you. Bulgarian split squats can build equal or more muscle, with far less joint stress. Why? Because each leg works independently. You get deeper range of motion. No spinal compression. Execution. Back foot elevated. Front foot stable. Slow descent. Drive through heel. You'll feel deep quad stretch. Intense glute activation. Immediate muscle fatigue. And the best part? Your spine stays completely out of it. Exercise 6 Single leg Romanian deadlift. This is the most underrated movement on this list, and possibly the most important, because it trains your posterior chain, hamstrings, glutes, lower back stabilizers. These muscles control power, balance, injury prevention. Why single leg is better? Fixes imbalances, improves stability, requires more muscle activation, less load, more effectiveness. Execution. One leg planted. Hinge at the hips. Feel deep hamstring stretch. Slow 4-second descent. Drive hips forward to stand it. Control is everything here. So here they are. Pull-ups. Inverted rows. Dips. Elevated push-ups. Bulgarian split squats. Single leg Romanian deadlifts. 6 movements that build more muscle tension, better movement patterns, less joint damage. Train them consistently. Progress slowly. And over the next 6 months, you won't just look stronger. You'll move, feel, and perform differently. If this changed how you think about training, take a moment to like the video. It helps more people discover information that could genuinely improve their health and strength. Comment Bodyweight Strong if you're going to start this. And subscribe for more science-based, no-nonsense fitness content. Because here, we don't just build muscle. We build strength that lasts.